What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Here's a quick update for all those Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 series users out there. Samsung has started rolling out a brand new update for the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and the Watch 5 regular. This is a Galaxy Watch 5 Pro I have got here. This is a Bluetooth variant. If you own a LTE variant, the update may get delayed, so patiently wait for it. You will be getting it very soon. Now to check the update, all you need to do is open the Galaxy Wearable application while the watch is connected, tap on Watch Settings, go all the way down and tap on Watch Software Update. If the update is available in your region, you will be able to download it by tapping on Download and Install. If it is not showing up, you may have to wait for some more time. Now coming to the update, as you can see the changelog here, it talks about a brand new feature, workout tracker support. By connecting your Galaxy Watch to your Samsung TV, you can view workout data from your watch on your TV screen. Under supported products and connection requirements, it says support Samsung TV, smart monitor, projector, lifestyle products that are newly released from 2024. However, this may vary depending on Samsung policy. It is supported on the condition that the same Samsung account is registered on both the Samsung TV and the Galaxy Watch. Now this is a brand new feature which will work only if you have these devices which are released in 2024. Now this is the same exact feature we got on the Galaxy Watch 6 series as well. I posted a video about the new update we got for the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Even there the changelog was similar to this. The same new feature was available on that as well. However, there is one point which is missing compared to the Galaxy Watch 6. That is the update for the touchscreen panel firmware. Samsung released a firmware update for the touchscreen panel for the Galaxy Watch 6 series. However, for the Galaxy Watch 5 series, we don't see that update here. Maybe that was specifically for the Galaxy Watch 6 series and may not be provided for Galaxy Watch 5 series, which is something to note here. Apart from that, we do have stability and reliability improvements, and this brings the latest security patch for March 2024. Hence, this is a very important update as it improves the security on the watch. As you can see, the size is about 244.16 MB, which is similar to the Galaxy Watch 6 series update, and the version ends with BXB7, and currently we have One UI version 5.0 watch based on the Wear OS. Now as far as this watch is concerned, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, this is performing very well. The battery life is at least about 3+ days on this watch because this rocks the biggest battery Samsung ever provided on a watch based on Wear OS. So obviously this will offer the best battery life. So if you're looking for a Galaxy Watch which offers the maximum battery life, then this is the one to go for even in 2024. Apart from that, after using this watch over a period of time, I feel that there is a little bit of lag in the touch responsiveness on this watch. Maybe it is just me. You guys let me know how is it on your watch if you own a Galaxy Watch 5 series. Also let me know the battery performance you're getting on the watch that you own. That is all I wanted to share with you guys. This is the brand new update we have got for the Galaxy Watch 5 series. Let me know whether you have received this update or not. Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with your Galaxy device, and give this video a like if you find this video informational. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.